at, bro?
Oh, we got some fiberglass.
Oh my God. 204. Oh, same tune.
Hey, what's up, guys? Tomorrow's a pretty big day for us, but it's not about this. We'll get to that later. Tomorrow is about going out to the Freedom Factory and watching Cletus run Leroy for the first time with a body. We've all been waiting for this for a year now. I know you guys have been waiting for a long time. And it's finally here. But first, we got the guys from BigTime coming by the shop today. You probably know these dudes, but if you don't, a couple cool guys, really cool builds, awesome videos. Link in description, check them out. And we're gonna be giving this away, so keep watching to find out how to win it. Don't forget to like, subscribe, share, hit the notification bell. We really appreciate it. Let's get into it.
What's up, man? Jeremiah. How's it going? Zach. How's it going? This is Eric. Eric. Zach. I'm good. Nice to meet you. Nice to meet you guys.
Yeah, you're welcome, man. It's pretty crazy in here. Actually pretty clean right now.
Okay.
I just shipped out a bunch of parts yesterday, so.
Nice.
This is clean. This is what clean looks like.
Fiberglass shop.
Yeah, yeah.
It looks like monster truck memorabilia. Yeah. That's all you guys do here.
What you see in the walls over here are some of the trucks that we designed for Tom Fuller Motorsports, which we completely sponsored their bodies.
So monster trucks are the main thing, but you do other...
Yeah, we used to do TV shows here and there, like designing cars for toy makers or car masters, things like that.
That's how we found out about you.
Yeah.
Yeah. They're clean.
Yeah, it's cool. Well, can we see around the shop?
Yeah, how does this work?
Chop house.
Oh, the chop house. Oh, it sprays all these little fibers.
Eric, would you like to explain the chop gun?
So this gun actually sprays. You pull the chop strings through here. So you pull them down and it'll all run through this gun. There's another nozzle that goes on here. It'll spray the MEK and the resin all at the same time, which the MEK is the hardener. So all three come out at the same time. And then you want to just make passes on the whatever part you're making. 6 blades on there.
Yeah.
So when it spins, it just chops them up.
Oh, wow.
And again, Leroy.
Please actually chopped his own car, or a big portion of his own car.
Sure. So obviously the insert of this was foam, right?
Yeah.
So there's the plug right there.
It's sitting right over
So
here.
it started as, it's like kind of like the other piece we were just talking, and then you build it off that and you get this.
This is a funny car body, so
So it's just one.
it needed to be one solid piece.
Okay, so you make monster trucks. That's really cool.
Yes.
But we have something a little bit smaller.
Yeah.
Have you seen a Rascal mobility scooter before?
I mean, I've seen them before. Yeah. Usually it's an old lady or an old man riding on.
Right, well, yeah.
What about
Yeah, we ride it too. Yeah, we don't discriminate. So our idea is to take this scooter, we're gonna put a high performance engine in it, make it the world's fastest mobility scooter, and you have a lot of cool designs. I don't know exactly where we want to go with it, but is this something you could do?
Yeah, that sounds absolutely unsafe, so we're all about it. Yeah.
Nice.
Let's do it.
Yeah.
But yeah, let's go crazy with the design, man. Whatever you guys want to do, man. Oh man, it does have the radioactive shit. You guys are... You can't, no, not that. What's that?
The actual handle.
Oh, really?
For the, this?
Yeah, all that.
You may have seen in a previous video that we made an RC version of Leroy for Cletus, and we used one of these to do it. Horizon Hobby sent us a box of these things, and we got one left, and we want to give it away. So all you got to do to win this is go to starrcreations.com/merch. While you're there, there's hats, shirts, and stickers available. Hats and shirts are going to get you 5 entries apiece, and stickers are going to get you 1 entry apiece. The more entries you have, the better your chance to win. So starrcreations.com/merch. Good luck. We're out here at the Freedom Factory this morning, and bright and early, we're going to go check out Leroy for the first time. Full body, mounted to the car, and we're going to do some runs today. So, it's all right.
Good job, Eric. Good job.
Seriously, man, I got coffee in my brain.
It's all right.
How are you? Oh, these are the vortex generators?
Hopefully they're going to generate some vortex this week. Yeah, they. I know exactly where to put them to.
So they're going like...
Yeah, so this is center.
It's gonna be, yeah, about there. Vortex generators, huh?
Yeah.
You think they're gonna do is make a big difference?
They did in the wind tunnel on the computer. They should bring air down into this
Oh, that's so crazy. So it weighs in total 150 pounds everything on the car. Really? That's not bad at all. I thought that was pretty good. How are you feeling?
No matter what, man, I'm gonna be stressing until runs. You know what I'm saying? Until you survive a freaking run, then I'll be like, all right, let's do it.
It's gonna be awesome.
Everyone grab a corner.
Hey, don't take these off.
So I got the wind tunnel, so you guys could come up with us. We can literally just crash it in the tunnel. They just let you.
All right.
So we could raise that up, and then they'll give you a horsepower drag measurement, and then you can put it back down.
I can't wait to see the way the numbers.
Yeah, Tuesday morning we have the wind.
Tuesday? Okay, man.
Week from tomorrow.
Let's go, dude.
We got a little dusty, but she's rewrapping in a few minutes. We're ready to go.
Yes, sir.
Oh, I'm excited, man. I'm ready for this. I think everybody's ready for this one.
We can undo it.
So, dude, we got some mountain of stuff going on. Look at all that titanium they glued to this body.
Yeah.
About to see if this body works. Just a few hours.
Just trying to line up the vortex generators as good as I can. I'm kind of having to just eyeball it, but it looks pretty good. They're formulated to be, like they're designed to be at a certain spot to do a certain thing.
That should hold at 200.
I think it's gonna go fast. It's gonna be. It looks awesome. So, I know Jesse's a little nervous, but
Yeah, a little nervous. a little bit.
Just a little bit.
I'll be all right.
That and the two-step. He's always on the two-step.
It's all in here.
I like when my beard flaps in the wind. I just hang it out the side a little bit. Not nervous at all.
Not nervous at all. Well, this is it. I got it all loaded up, heading over to the track. Let's see what this thing can do. Here we go.
They won't go around the bed.
They're running the car alone by itself with no body for a couple hours, and then they're going to put the body on after that.
A couple hours?
I'm not sure. That's what
He said 2 runs.
2 runs?
He said 2 without, and then 2 with.
I'm just repeating
He's
what I
just
heard the
saying.
man
Eric's-
say a minute ago.
Eric's
It may
just
be
saying.
completely wrong, you know? I may be completely wrong.
Eric's been drinking all morning, so
Cowboy. All right, so we had 2 pretty identical runs with no body on the car, which is a great control test. So we'll be able to test and see exactly what the body does in comparison to that. So now we're gonna get the body on this thing and see what that does, and hopefully it's better. Should be better. Should be better. Fingers crossed. Yeah, so 2 identical control runs without a body means that it's very precise, which means that if that sucks, when we put it on there, we'll know exactly how much it sucks. So that's gonna be cool.
Alright, get it cool. Oh.
I'm nervous, man. I ain't
Are
gonna
you
lie.
nervous now?
Yeah, I'm nervous now.
You're the one that's been telling me not to be nervous this whole
I know,
time. For
because
months.
Years. I was trying to comfort you.
What are you nervous about?
I don't know. I'm just like, it's just,
The embarrassment factor, or
no, I ain't worried about that because we can fix whatever. I mean, nothing would
What
be
are you
our
worried
fault per se. It's all everything's not exactly the same as it was in the computer, so it's like it's just testing.
he was
Good,
doing
we have
he was doing fine.
I know he was doing fine, but we have a
Messed
mold.
him up.
If it blows off the car, then we'll
Holy crap, bro. Oh, we got some fiberglass. Dude, that was crazy.
Oh my god.
All I seen was stuff flying, bro. I had to bail out.
I know, dude. I literally, as it was passing me, I was like, please don't blow apart. Please don't blow apart.
yeah.
And I saw it blow apart by you, and I was like,
dude.
that's even worse.
I hope I got something. Dude, that's
707 at 204. Same tune.
Yeah.
Picked up 2 tenths.
Dude, that's good. Is that what y'all kind of expected, or is that better than expected?
No,
kinda?
that's better than expected.
Okay.
I joked about it going 204 miles an hour right before the pass, and
Yeah.
it did.
It hit
But when
204?
I said 204, they're like, "Oh yeah, right." I'm like, figure out how to keep the doors on it, but
Other than that.
Look at the tire mark on the window. It got run over perfect.
Bro.
It's weird we file about stuff like that. Where's the other door?
204, dude.
Big Jeep guy here. I could not lift. I couldn't lift. I saw the door tearing off. I said, this is a good run. I'm not wasting it. Talk to me, Jack. Alright. So, test one. We went a 470 flat at 154 mile an hour. Body test one, 466 at 160 to the 8.
So 400ths. And how much mile an hour?
6 mile an hour to the 8.
What's the quarter mile? Just tell me.
707 at 204. Our first test pass went 193 and a half. So we picked up 11 mile an hour. And 2 tenths.
Oh, nice!
And you lost the passenger window at 1,000 foot and the driver window door going through the truck.
Yeah, he wiggled a little bit. I personally think we got to go off the 196 because I think I got.
Still, that's 8 mile an hour gain.
Damn! Is our door? Oh! Whoa!
This is still good.
Jesse, are you okay? Where is he?
Yeah, I survived, man. I survived. Man. I'm glad to see you back here, brother.
Oh, okay, so a little bit of data we have with the door ripping off.
Obviously, we can't do an accurate.
Are you saying 2 tenths?
2 tenths. Well, a little less than 2
little
tenths.
less than 2 tenths.
Yeah.
Basically 2 tenths. And
The big
we'll
thing's
call it
now.
8 to 10 mile per hour.
8 to 10
Because
miles
we
an hour.
lost the doors before we finished the run.
Yeah, that window was out at 1,000 foot.
Inconclusive results.
Yeah,
we
'cause
lost the
we'll back it
doors.
up.
One
Unless
thing's
we
for
tape
sure.
it back on, we can't back it up.
Brother, she went 2 tenths faster than 10 mile an hour. We can call it that easy.
But we lost the doors. It could be more.
Oh yeah.
The way it sounded when I was going through the 60 foot, I was like, what the hell is about to happen?
It sounds different with the body on it. All the bald eagles are trapped under the eagle.
It sounds so different. I'm telling you, it sounds so different. Are you guys not shocked?
I did say it was going to go 204.
You did
I
say
did
it
say
was
it
going
was
to go 204. I think structurally the rest of the body is totally okay.
Yeah.
I don't think we have any other issues. Can we fix the doors before World Cup?
Yep. We got the guys right here.
We're gonna send the car back with Cameron. He's gonna take it to Starr. Maybe they're gonna tag team repairing the doors. I gotta give a huge shout out to Starr Creations and a huge shout out to CJ Race Cars. We're down to the wire. World Cup's next week, so you know, to load more work on all these guys kind of sucks, but amazing result, I think.
That was awesome,
Build
dude.
the whole area, make that safe.
Seeing them doors fly off, dude, was a little scary, but seeing that number pop up on that screen over there, dude, that was awesome.
I'll take them with me, but
A whole year's worth of stress, man. Just kind of floated away. I mean, a little stressed, but it was still so much fun, dude. Make little tweaks here and there, open up them vents, you know, adjust a couple things and get this thing going really fast. Pretty excited, man. Stay tuned.